Hey, what's up there, guys? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So I get this question a lot. In today's Ask Matt, I'm going to go over a quick little thing that we do as far as pricing, and my wife and I always did when it came to pricing our custom apparel. So here's a little sample we have in the back, and we used to have something like this in our storefront, and it would cover the entire area. But what's really cool about it is what we used to do is we used to put all of our actual pricing, and I always focus on the pricing on the actual work involved, the transfers, everything that costs me and our business a lot of money. I didn't throw much cost at all on those blanks over there because that was easy to order. I could just go on a website, order it quick, and it's done. What we did is we focused on the work involved in brushing in the stones, or using a CAMS machine like this, and the time involved, the stones, the labor cost, the overhead cost, everything else, right? Well, when it comes to pricing, we also made it simple for when a customer walks in and they see things, it's easy for us to price it for them. So you'll see everything on here is color coded. So with all of the colors on you, you'll see the amount of colors in the design, the detail in the design. Everything is the deciding factor in what we charge, for example, this transfer. So this one right here is a gold color, all right? That's a 3-color rhinestone design. It's a pretty big stone design. Well, we come down here to our pricing guide. Gold is $20. I probably have about maybe $2, $2.50, and a pretty big stone count there. But I'm selling $20 just for the transfer. Now, if they bring in their own shirt, that's a $20 shirt. I'm good with that because I know it's not going to take a long time to make, and I don't have a ton of stone cost in it, right? Something like this, again, gold, gold. Here's a white one, much easier. This one's got heat transfer vinyl with a little accent of stones. That one's only $17.50. One right here, again, only $17.50, not quite as much detail. So depending on the detail, this one is an all glitter heat transfer vinyl design. All right, that one's only $15. So simplify your pricing structure. Make it as easy as possible for your customers to be able to easily figure out. And that was something that I found out helped our business a ton, because a customer could walk in, they say, I want a design like this. Okay, it's customized, and that is a green price or a blue price or whatever it is. So hope this video helped you out. Comment below right here. Let me know if this video helped you, and I will pick one of your questions in the comments for our next Ask Matt. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon. Later.